Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are back in Southwest Florida here today, as you guys can all see. And in this video, we'll be checking out a secret unexpected update that came to Southwest Florida. So this update here, I actually checked in my previous video on the first person driving, and this feature or this thing was not in the game yesterday, and today when I logged in, it somehow was there. So it's kind of a secret update. It was unexpected. It wasn't in the change logs or anything. I just noticed this today. But yeah, I'll be showing you guys that today. But before this video actually starts, I wanted to say, if any of you guys are interested in Rubik's cubes or something, or if you guys want to learn how to solve a Rubik's cube, make sure to check out EC_cubing. I'll leave a link to their channel in the description and in the pinned comment. They're pretty cool. It's a new channel, my friend's channel, but you guys can show some support to them by subscribing. It's a new channel. I'll leave a link to their channel in the description and also the pinned comment. Yeah, so I'll link their channel in both of those. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, get them to 100 subscribers if it is possible, but you guys can show some support by subscribing. But yeah, if any of you guys are into Rubik's cubes, you guys can check them out. They make some pretty cool videos. New channel. But yeah, let's get straight into the video and check out this secret. Right, so we're at spawn right now, and if I hop into my car over here, and we can see something pink right over here. So this was not here yesterday. I checked in my previous video. I actually watched the video back to see, but this is now in the game. There's actually pink flowers here. Pink flowers right here, as you guys can see. And if we actually check this out right here, there's actually now some flowers right here. 2 flowers right here, and another 2 flowers right here. So it says Lacey rest in peace 2006 to 2021, and right here it says Skittles rest in peace 2005 to 2020. So as you guys see, there is a dog right here and a cat. Yeah, so the dog and the cat and the rest in peace signs were already here before, but there is now 2 roses right here and 2 roses on the other side, and there's also pink bushes. So if we actually check out my previous video, alright, so here's my previous video. As you guys see, it's September 14, today's September 15, and it's called First Person Driving in Southwest Florida. Check it out if you haven't already. But if we actually look right over here, we are currently at spawn, and if we look right over here, there's no pink flowers, and oh, actually the dog wasn't there. Pretty sure that's only the cat. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah. Alright, so there's only the cat right here, and now there is the dog, and there was no pink flowers or anything, but there's now the dog there too. Oh, I just noticed that. I thought the dog was already there, but there's now a dog next to the cat. Let's actually hop back in game. Alright, so we're back in game. It used to be only the cat, Skittles, rest in peace 2005 to 2020, but now there's Lacey right here, which is a dog, rest in peace 2006 to 2021. But as you guys see, there's now another dog right here. There's a dog right here, and there's now 2 flowers on each one, and there is now pink flowers. So yeah, that was pretty unexpected. It was not in the change logs or anything. And I don't think this is, I don't consider it an update, but it's a secret, I guess, because it's not in the change logs or anything. I don't know if any of you guys else noticed this, but yeah, I just noticed this logging into the game. Like, if you guys know, when you log into the game, you spawn in right over here. Yeah, you spawn in right over here, and I just happened to see some pink over here, so I hopped over here to check it out. And yeah, and I checked my previous video, and this wasn't here yesterday, so here this is now. So yeah, that was pretty unexpected. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video, guys. Pretty short video here today, but I just wanted to let you guys know it's pretty interesting, because I just noticed some pink over here, so I hopped on over here to check. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video, guys. I'm going to conclude the video here. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.